tartar with regular toothpaste is like trying to dig a hole to China.
Energy. What is it? What forms does it take?
Energy is the ability to do work. Energy is what gets you out of bed at morning. Even the Chick-fil-A milkshake has some energy you can use. Energy can be renewable or never-ending supply, like solar or wind energy, or non-renewable, which means it can run out, like petroleum and coal.
So energy is what lets things do stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, Jenny, close your laptop. It's quiz time. Can you name one additional type of energy?
Write down your answers on the papers.
Alright, cool. That's the end of the shot. Where does energy come from? How is it recovered?
Well, energy comes from the earth and its natural resources, like things we find deep in the earth like coal and uranium. Other types of energy come from the natural process that takes place, like the currents of wind, or the falling of water from gravity, or the light coming from the sun.
How is it recovered then?
Typically things are burned and converted into steam or hot water. The steam or hot water then moves a turbine of some sort where the resource is converted into mechanical energy. In some cases, burning something is not necessary in the natural process, like the movement of air, or the force of gravity can be captured by turbines, like hydroelectric energy or wind energy.
Neato. Okay, Ito, pay attention. I've got a question for you. Typically, how is most energy converted to mechanical energy?
Commercial.
A double pleasure's waiting for you. A double pleasure from Double Mint Gum. A double great feeling. Double smooth. Double delicious to chew. A double pleasure is waiting for you. Double Mint Gum. A double pleasure is waiting for you. Double Mint Gum.
Wait just a second. So how is this stuff turned into energy that we can use?
Well, let me give you some examples of renewable energy. In solar energy, there are photovoltaic cells which convert sunlight into electricity. Solar thermal technology, where heat from the sun is used to make hot water steam. Let me give you some examples of non-renewable resources too, like natural gas. The most basic natural gas-fired electric generation consists of a steam generation unit where fossil fuels are burned in a boiler to heat water, then produce steam that can turn a turbine to generate electricity.
So what actually uses this energy that is produced? And what do they use it for?
Everybody uses energy. However, more developed countries have higher rates of energy use, with the privilege of purchasing energy resources with more convenience than other countries that struggle to produce adequate amounts of electricity and the infrastructure necessary to get it to their citizens. Energy has uses in all sectors, from the industry to small uses in the house, like using a hair dryer.
Pratt, here's another question. What household item, on average, uses the most electricity? Alright. Hey Kevin, what are some advantages of energy production?
Well, it's better to show you.
Whoa, where are we?
A nuclear power plant. Let's get on to some advantages and disadvantages of power production. Each type of power production has advantages and disadvantages. For example, at this power plant behind me, it makes no CO2 or harmful pollutants, but the use of uranium is non-renewable and gives a harmful radiation to organic life. Geothermal energy is the heat from the earth. It's clean and sustainable. Resources of geothermal energy range from the shallow ground to hot water and hot rock found a few miles beneath the Earth's surface and down even deeper to the extremely high temperatures of molten rock called magma.
What's bad about energy production then?
Literally nothing. Energy production is flawless and good for the environment. Just kidding. Energy production is riddled with issues. For example, coal and oil production as an energy source produces huge amounts of air, water, and land pollution that is detrimental to our planet.
That's sad. Show me a commercial. Wait, Maddie. Answer this question first. Name 2 negative externalities of a nuclear power plant.
Time for Wrigley Spearmint Gum.
Wrigley Spearmint? What is Wrigley Spearmint?
Well, it's pure chewing satisfaction.
Data, please. Cool and refreshing. Chewing enjoyment goes on and on.
Analysis?
Wrigley Spearmint is pure chewing satisfaction.
Yeah. So how come you never talked to me before?
Wrigley Spearmint is pure chewing satisfaction.
Kevin, how efficient are these forms of power production?
Hydro turbines, the oldest and most commonly used renewable energy source, have the highest efficiency of all power conversion processes, followed by coal, natural gas, wind, and solar.
Nate, what type of things is energy used for on a daily basis?
Oh, a lot of things, but I don't have all day, so I'll just list the biggest uses of energy. Here we go. Electricity is used primarily by industry, 36%, households, 31%, and the commercial sector, 30%, while transport is a small share, 3%. For this purpose, the commercial sector includes both private and public services, while industry is mostly manufacturing.
I know. You got any more fun facts in that head of yours?
Refrigerators in the U.S. consume about the same energy as 25 large power plants produce each year. There are 2 basic groups of energy: renewable energy, biomass, geothermal, solar, water, yada yada, and non-renewable, fossil fuels, coal, oil, natural gas, nuclear. You know all of them. 3/4 of the world's energy is generated by burning fossil fuels. Humans have harnessed solar energy since ancient times. Enough sunlight reaches the Earth's surface each minute to satisfy the world's energy demands for an entire year. The amount of energy Americans use double every 20 years.
Alright guys, final question. What's the most efficient form of energy production? That's it?
Are you guys done?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Yeah, we're done.
That was so good.
In the commercial sector, while
Kim, why can't you just read the quote how it is, dude? Like, how about you just, it's a quote, you gotta read, like, don't paraphrase. I wrote the script for you to say it, dude, not for you to do your own thing. Start again.
Oh my god.
But I finally developed a good relationship with my body.